Check this.
Hello, welcome to Meeky. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Node.js on your Windows computer. So let's get started. So first, head over to this website called nodejs.org and click this button. It will download the latest Node.js setup to your Windows machine. I've already downloaded it, so I'm skipping to installation. So double click on the installation file, click next, accept the license agreement. If you want to change the installation path, change it from here. I'm keeping as default. Then click next and click next and hit install. Click yes. And voila, our installation has been completed. Now click the finish button, and if you want to test it, open command prompt and just type in node-v, so it will return the current version of the installed Node.js in your Windows machine. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.